ahead and get right into this review. This is going to be from the Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig collection, and I don't know. So this is going to be MLF458 Aitaina, however you say it. So that is what it looks like. This is the box. So let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging. I just did a wig review on, I can't even think of the name. Oh, Lourdes. I just did a wig review on Lourdes, and it didn't fit from ear to ear. So I didn't do my makeup because I'm like, if this one don't fit from ear to ear, I got another one, but I'm not gonna review it if that's the case because it's pointless. So that is going to be the stock card up close. It is a 13x7 pre-plucked wig. It does have baby hairs. It is the ultra undetected HD lace, which of course is the white lace that you have to put in some work. And then on the back, just more information about this wig. Okay, so this is what the wig is going to look like. Starting off, the texture feels so freaking bomb. You are getting like shedding right out of the package. Like, it is going hand with the shedding. The texture is very freaking pretty. It feels like a natural yaki, so I do like that. Of course, you are going to have the light lace. It does have like a light brown tint to it. You do get these long baby hairs. Y'all know they put the baby hairs on there. So you do get the 2 combs on the top. It is right below the parting space. You have a comb in the back with adjustable straps, and then also you do have this elastic band. So this is how it looks on. Like I said, the hair is pretty. Hair is really pretty. It is shedding like crazy. Like, girl, I can't even put this wig on and it's shedding like crazy. Like, really out the box shit. But this hair is freaking pretty though. Like, very pretty. Looks like bundle vibes. Okay. So of course y'all know the lace is light. We already understand that with Bobbi Boss, so I'm not even gonna go over the lace. Y'all know they have the long baby hairs. Hairline, it looks very good, very flawless. With this unit, it does not go from ear to ear. Like, I had bought these units because Jacinta, when I first did them, I was like, oh, okay, it goes from ear to ear. Like, we in this thing. Now I reviewed Lourdes, the last one, did not go from ear to ear. I'm like, oh my god. You know, I'm not gonna spend my money on getting a 13x7 if I can't wear it like how I want to. I already had this unit right here that I'm wearing right now, and then I have another one. So I'm just gonna do this unit, and then the other I'm not even gonna worry about it because more than likely it's going to fit the same way, and I'm just not gonna mess with it. So this is how it looks on the side. Once again, in my last tutorial, I did just use the front right here, then I use the side. So more than likely that is what I'm gonna have to do this time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by plucking the front because that's all I have to work with. And then I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna put that again in another video. Ooh, my eye is crusty, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead, per usual, just go ahead and pluck these. This one doesn't look as thick as the last one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck these out just to thin it out a little bit. And I'm just cutting these down with my razor comb. So I went ahead and changed my stocking cap. Same per usual foundation. I used the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. This is in the color Tiny. And then I used my Fit Me powder. This is in 362, which is truffle. So now, let's see. This time around, I did not use the clip the little elastic band that it comes with. I just put it on, and I do notice that it kind of pulls down like over here on the sides. It's still kind of back here towards the back, but it's not as much. So maybe that was the problem I had in my last one, and that's probably why I didn't like it, because the elastic band was pulling the frontal back, because it looks better now than it did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some Got to Be Glued spray, and I'm gonna put that right in between. Then I'm gonna blow dry that on cool air. So now that that is done, I'm liking the middle part. So what I'm gonna do is, me personally, it's hard for me to do baby hairs if I don't have no part. If I don't have no part, they go all over the place and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm gonna keep it in this middle part. And since I have my middle part going, I like to kind of work with the middle part. So I am gonna, because with the middle part, I like to have hair right here, and then I like to swoop it down over here, and I like to go this way on that side, so I know, like, you know what to do when I got a part. And then I'm just gonna be using my edge booster. I love this stuff on my hair as well as natural hair, because it be looking so freaking bomb. And of course we pluck towards the beginning, but when it comes to molding down your baby hair, sometimes you have to pluck some more. So you'll see me kind of plucking as well and cutting, because these baby hairs is still long and we're not rocking with long baby hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my paddle brush and just brush that. Then I'm gonna take some mousse to go ahead and clean that up. Okay, so let's talk about this unit. So I am really feeling the unit. Like, this wig is very freaking gorgeous to me. It's like a pretty flawless like body wave wig. It looks so freaking pretty. Like, I wasn't expecting to like this wig whatsoever. It has a natural density, so this is going to be the hair all the way, but if you put your hands through it and kind of fluff it up, you can get a little bit of volume. This wig, it is heat safe. I did not use any heat on this. I just used some mousse to go ahead and tame it down just a little bit. As you saw, I did pluck the baby hairs and then I trimmed those down. I put foundation and powder. I did not have to go in and pluck the hairline, which is like super bomb. Like I said, as long as you use a foundation that's towards your skin tone, you shouldn't have any problems as far as getting the lace to blend in, because as soon as you like put Got to Be Glued on this wig, like the lace just melts into the skin. It looks so freaking flawless. In the beginning I did say the hair was shedding. It is shedding now, but it's not as bad. So like right now I ran my hands through it, I'm not getting any shedding right now, but it's like certain spots I'll pull and I'll get some shedding. But as of this moment, all I've gotten was one hair. So I guess maybe the shedding was because it was packaged, I'm not sure. This hair, it doesn't so much tangle. It really just has like a lot of like frizz when you look at it if you fluff it through. So as long as you put your foam and wrap mousse, you should be okay with it. Like this wig is freaking bomb. I'm like, I can't even believe that I like it. On the sides, like I said, I did not use the elastic band, so I guess the elastic band, the way they put it in, is not what it is, because now I pulled it down, I do have more space. So I guess I'm gonna have to go try my last unit, my Lords, to see if I can pull that down, because if I can, I'm gonna be happy about that. So I would purchase this unit again because I'm just freaking in love with this unit. I think this is such a gorgeous, like going out to eat, glamorous body wave type of wig, and I'm just in freaking love with it. Like I said, it's not shedding like it was. I just get a hair or two here and there, so I'm freaking in love. The texture is a natural yaki, so it's like freaking bomb to me. Freaking bomb to me. And the unit, it already came like in the middle part, so I didn't do any other part because I freaking love this unit. And I'm really not a middle part type of person, but I freaking love this unit. Like freaking love it. And then in the front, it is kind of layered in the front, so it kind of gives you like a frame. Like you could go up some more to layer it, but freaking bomb. Freaking bomb. So with this unit, I do not get a shine. It's like a smidget, but it's not like overpowering. With the Lourdes unit, I did get a shine with that unit, but this one I don't really get too much of a shine. So yeah, so this wig is freaking bomb. I will leave the links down below where you can purchase this unit at. This makeup, it will be in another tutorial. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's like, I know everybody's at home, if there's like what you want to learn as far as, because in this video I kind of showed you how to do baby hairs, just a smidget. But if you're not completely understanding baby hairs, or you want to learn how to do the ball cap, or you want to learn how to slay a synthetic wig in general, just let me know down in the comments and I can do that. I have a synthetic wig I want to go ahead and show you how to slay it, so I do have that video coming up if that's something that, you know, somebody wants to know. But if there's any other comments or wigs that you want me to go ahead and review, just let me know down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.